Why spend years learning to invest when ChatGPT can break it down in minutes? Want to know how I unlocked expert level skills using just AI? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding ChatGPT, identifying your investing goals, and more. In today's fast paced financial landscape, mastering investing skills is more crucial than ever. With the rise of technology and the accessibility of information, learning how to invest wisely can set you on a path to financial independence. One innovative tool that can help you on this journey is ChatGPT. This AI-powered assistant can provide personalized guidance, answer your questions, and simplify complex investing concepts, making it easier for you to grasp the essentials of the market. Imagine having a knowledgeable companion available 24/7, ready to explain everything from stock market basics to advanced trading strategies. ChatGPT can help demystify investing, offering insights tailored to your learning style and pace. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, leveraging this technology can enhance your understanding and confidence in making investment decisions. Join us as we explore how ChatGPT can be your go-to resource for developing essential investing skills in an ever-evolving financial world. Understanding ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Utilizing deep learning techniques, it can understand context, respond to questions, and provide explanations in a conversational manner. This capability makes ChatGPT an invaluable tool for learning and research, especially in complex fields like investing. With its ability to break down intricate concepts into digestible information, ChatGPT can help users navigate the often overwhelming world of finance. Whether you're looking for definitions, strategies, or market analysis, this AI can provide tailored responses that cater to your specific needs. One of the standout features of ChatGPT is its accessibility. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Its user-friendly interface allows beginners to engage with the model effortlessly. By simply typing your questions or topics of interest, you can unlock a wealth of knowledge, making learning about investing both enjoyable and effective. Identifying your investing goals. Defining your investing objectives is a crucial first step in your financial journey. Start by assessing your financial goals and understanding your risk tolerance. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or your child's education? Knowing what you want to achieve will help shape your investment strategy. Additionally, consider how much risk you're willing to take. Are you comfortable with the potential for loss, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Setting clear and achievable investing targets is essential for maintaining focus and motivation. For instance, if you aim to grow your wealth over time, you might consider a growth investing style, which focuses on companies expected to increase their earnings at an above average rate. Alternatively, if you're looking for stability and income, value investing might be more suitable, as it involves purchasing undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals. By identifying your goals and aligning them with the right investing style, you can create a roadmap for financial success. Using ChatGPT for research. Leveraging ChatGPT for investment research can significantly enhance your decision-making process. To get started, simply ask ChatGPT for information on specific stocks or sectors. For example, you might say, "What are the recent developments in the technology sector?" Or, "Can you provide insights on the performance of company X?" This allows you to gather relevant data and analysis tailored to your interests. In addition to stock-specific inquiries, ChatGPT can help you understand broader market trends and news. You can ask questions like, what are the current trends in renewable energy investments? Or, how is inflation affecting the stock market? This can provide you with a comprehensive view of the market landscape. However, while ChatGPT is a valuable resource, it's essential to verify the information you receive from multiple sources. Cross-referencing data ensures accuracy and helps you make informed investment decisions. By combining ChatGPT's insights with thorough research, you can navigate the investment world more effectively. Learning investment strategies. Exploring various investment strategies is essential for building a robust portfolio, and ChatGPT can be your guide in this learning process. Two popular strategies you might consider are dollar cost averaging and diversification. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, which can help mitigate the impact of market volatility. Diversification, on the other hand, is about spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. To dive deeper into these strategies, simply ask ChatGPT for detailed explanations. For instance, you could inquire, can you explain how dollar cost averaging works? Or, what are the benefits of diversification in investing? This will provide you with tailored insights and examples that enhance your understanding. Once you've grasped these strategies, it's crucial to apply them in real-life scenarios. Start by implementing dollar cost averaging in your monthly investments or creating a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance. By putting theory into practice, you can build confidence and improve your investment outcomes. Simulating investment scenarios. Using ChatGPT to simulate investment scenarios can be a powerful way to practice and refine your investment strategies. Start by creating hypothetical situations, such as investing a specific amount in a particular stock or sector over a set period. For example, you might ask, what would happen if I invested $1,000 in renewable energy stocks over the next year? This allows you to explore potential outcomes based on different market conditions. The benefits of scenario analysis in decision making are significant. By examining various scenarios, you can better understand how different factors, like market trends or economic changes, might impact your investments. This analytical approach helps you make more informed decisions and prepares you for real-world situations. After simulating these scenarios, take time to reflect on the outcomes. Consider what worked, what didn't, and how you might adjust your strategies accordingly. This iterative process not only enhances your investment knowledge, but also builds your confidence in navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Staying updated with market trends. Staying informed about market trends is essential for successful investing, and ChatGPT can be a valuable resource in this regard. To get the latest market news and updates, simply ask ChatGPT specific questions like, what are the current trends in the stock market? Or, can you provide updates on recent economic indicators? This will help you access timely information that can influence your investment decisions. The importance of staying updated cannot be overstated. Market conditions can change rapidly, and being aware of these shifts allows you to adjust your strategies accordingly. Knowledge of trends, news, and economic factors can give you a competitive edge and help you make informed choices. To maximize your learning, encourage regular engagement with ChatGPT. Make it a habit to check in frequently for updates and insights. This ongoing interaction not only keeps you informed, but also enhances your understanding of the market, empowering you to navigate your investment journey with confidence. In conclusion, we explored the numerous benefits of using ChatGPT as a tool for learning investing skills. From providing personalized insights on specific stocks and sectors to helping you understand various investment strategies, ChatGPT serves as a valuable resource for both beginners and seasoned investors alike. We emphasize the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in the ever-changing financial landscape, reminding you that staying informed is key to making sound investment decisions. As you embark on your investing journey, remember to leverage ChatGPT for research, simulate different scenarios, and stay updated with market trends. This proactive approach will enhance your understanding and confidence in navigating the complexities of investing. If you found this content helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from it. Your support helps us create more valuable content to assist you on your financial journey. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care